Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play King. King is a formidable character known for his devastating throws and close quarters pressure. To start, focus on understanding his basic command throws and how to link them into more complex chain grabs. Mastering these will be crucial for controlling the pace of your matches and keeping your opponents on the defensive. Now, let's dive into some of King's essential moves. His 10-hit combo is a great way to deal substantial damage when it connects. Crucially, you'll want to master his signature throws like the Giant Swing and the Tombstone Piledriver, as these are cornerstones of his game. Also, incorporate his running 2-hit attack for quick, aggressive approaches. King's grappling game is truly unique. Learn to chain throws together, creating complex sequences that leave your opponent guessing which break to use. Effectively mixing up your low and high attacks will create openings for your powerful throws. Furthermore, understanding throw breaks is vital, not just for offense, but also for defending against other grapplers. To elevate your King gameplay, integrate his Rage Art and Heat Burst for significant burst damage and momentum shifts. Practicing precise sidestepping will allow you to evade incoming attacks and create crucial openings for your own offense. Finally, observing your opponent's tendencies and adapting your strategy is key to becoming a truly dominant King player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.